Hello everybody, welcome to Lovely Angels International Preschool and Daycare. Myself Damini Sunil. Hope you all are doing well at home and with all your loved ones. Yes. Okay, so for today I have a nice activity for all of you who all are waiting for my activities. Yes. So here I have few of the things, okay? All the mamas out there, please share your kitchen stuffs for us because we are doing a nice entertaining activity for today. Okay, I have few for today. What we're going to do is it is dal, grain or pulses art. Okay, so I have few of them here. I'll show you right now. Okay. Yes, hope you all are able to see all these grains, and those blue and orange thing is the rice that I have taken, and I have colored it with the paint and I have left it for drying. Okay, I have fenugreek seeds, I have green gram, I have all the pulses and all of that. Okay, yes, so I think we'll all start with the activity right now. Okay. Yes, so we have all these stuffs right now with us, okay? So what we need is a drawing of our own liking. So what I'm going to do is I have drawn a flag for us. This is the Indian flag, okay? Indian flag will be it is a tricolored flag, yes. So we have saffron on top, white in between and green in the bottom. Okay, so in the center it is the Ashoka chakra, which is going to be blue in color. Okay, so I will start with the glue. I'm going to put the glue on the stick or the, yes, I'm going to use the glue. Okay, yes, I am using my hand itself to do the gluing. Okay, I am taking fenugreek seeds. Okay, so fenugreek seeds and putting it to the stick of the flag. You can use any of the pulses or grains you have at home. Okay, mamas, please give them to us so that we will have the best activity, and for some time we'll have nice time using grains, and all the kids at home will learn few of the dals that we use every day for our nutrition. Yes, that we are eating. And when they're doing this, mamas, please tell them what it is, which is the dal that they are using, so that they will also recognize them when they are eating them. Okay, yes, now if you can see, I have done the stick. Okay, it has to dry for some time. I've done the stick of the flag. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is the saffron. Because I didn't get saffron pulses, I am using these. Okay, it is not exactly saffron, but because I didn't get them, I'm just doing that. After doing this, it has to dry, then only it will be a nice one. Okay, it will take time to dry, so I will not show you the flag after I finish it. Okay, it has to dry. I will show you the rest of the things that I have done, so that you will have an idea. Okay, this is how it has to be done. So now for the white, I'm using the rice, the normal rice, which is not colored. Okay, I think you all can have a look. It has to dry. Okay, it has to dry. Few of the grains will just fall off because it's not sticking nicely. It has to dry for some time, and then only it will be settling properly on the paper. Okay, for the green, I am using the horse gram. So when you're doing any of the thing, you can just, parents or mamas or papas, you can just, guide the child, or you can help them put the glue on the paper. and it will just come out this way. Okay, it has to dry for now. Hope you all can have a look. It has to dry. That is the reason I won't be able to show it to you properly. Okay, but I'm leaving it for drying now. I will show you. My 3-year-old cousin of mine has done this for me. Okay, I had a activity done with her. This is what she did, and my other cousin did a diya, okay, using the rice which is colored with orange paint and blue rice and the dals and the fenugreek seeds. Okay, so you all see, when you all are doing this, you can even tell the child, okay, this is the dal that we eat every day, this is very healthy and all of that. Okay, so hope you all are having fun doing my activities and all these stuffs. Learning comes up when you do something, right? Yes, so hope you all had fun with this activity, and once it is dried, you can put it, you can frame it or keep it for yourself, and you can even educate the other cousins of yours. Yes. Okay, thank you all of you, thank you for watching the video.